Now I am going to cover how to use opportunities custom fields. First, go to Gohighlevel sub account. Then navigate sites. Next, go to surveys. Then click builders. Here you can see the list of surveys. We can use the existing survey, or if you want to add a new survey, just click add surveys. Here you can see the survey window. Then click plus icon. Next, click custom fields. Select opportunities. Then click opportunity details. Now you can click add button to add a new field. Here I am clicking numbers. Here new field is created. Click next. Here you can enter the name of the field. And select the object. Here I am selecting opportunity. Then group is opportunity detail. Next, click save button. Here a new field will be created here. Now we can drag and drop the field in the slide. Once the field is dragged in the right side, you can see the label, placeholder, short label, query key, and required hidden option, and edit opportunity settings also is there. If you want, you can edit and configure it. Then click save button to save this detail. This is the way you can use the opportunity custom fields. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks.